How many do you really need? What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video. And yeah, we're back on to waffle on. This is a subject that is super hard to answer. Like, how many sneakers do you need? I really don't know. Like, at my current count, I haven't even counted it recently, but I would guess it is in between 130 and 160.
Oh my god! Wow!
I obviously do not need 150 pairs of trainers. Like, I've got at least like 35 pairs of Jordans. Who needs that? I've probably got about 6 pairs of Jordans that are in a black and red variation of colorway. Don't really need that, but I love Jordans. A new one comes out, I want to get it. Technically, like, if my outfit, is it going to make a difference if I wore bread toes or breads or black toes? Not really. They're all black, white and red. But as sneaker fans, it just is what it is. And we cop and we cop and we cop. I'd definitely say I've got issues, but compared to some people, that's nothing. Some people are like 300 plus, like, they can literally wear a different pair of sneakers every day for the whole year. I can't do that. And the thing is, when it comes to how many do you actually need, like myself, as I said, I've got that many sneakers, but let's just say a general week. 5 days of that week, I'm going to work. I'm rocking my beaten to death Ultra Boost 2.0s. I actually need to do a video on those sneakers because the way that they've lasted is absolutely crazy. I've killed them things, but anywho, so yeah, 5 days a week I'm rocking those sneakers. If I manage to go to the gym as well 3-4 times that week, I'll either rock those in the gym, but if I'm rocking night joggers, I might, because I don't like cross branding, but sometimes I just can't be asked and I want to have another shoe in my bag. I'll bring my night reacts as well and I wear them in the gym. So that's like 5 days of the week I'm rocking the same pair of kicks. I come home from work. Chances of me going out again is not massive because I live with my girlfriend, so I'm not going to go out and see her. When we were first dating, that was like one of the things I look forward to. When I'm going to see her after work, because I usually finish work quite early, I'd be like, oh, what am I going to wear today? Go and meet her and all that, have more opportunities to wear my kicks. But these days it's literally just the 2 days, and I don't work a general schedule where it's just a weekend off. So my week could be like, I could have Monday and Tuesday off, so I might not even go anywhere crazy, so I'm not even going to rock any kicks that day. So some weeks I can go by, I'm not even rocking any heat, and I've got all this heat just sitting down here. So it's like, how many sneakers do I really need? Technically, I think if I was to whittle it down like big time from all my stuff, I could probably get it to like 30 and I'd be okay with it. But I'd still want to have some more variety, and fire stuff comes out and it's just like, what are you going to do? You're going to cop because you can cop. A case in the point, this, last week I was on Instagram watching a story, someone picked something up, there was a discount on a pair of kicks. I wasn't really thinking about them that much. Someone had mentioned them recently on a sneaker podcast and it crossed my mind a bit like, oh yeah, I kind of did like them. So I saw that there was a discount. Next thing you know, that's what this bag is. Review coming soon, by the way. And that's what happens, like, there's another pair picked up. I didn't plan on it happening. After my last recent pickups, I said, cool, I'm waiting for the Jordan 1 shadows. Anything else, not really that interested, but stuff like that happens. But yeah, speaking of the sneaker podcast, they're actually doing a list at the moment. Every episode, they add one pair to the list of like the top 10 sneakers that everyone needs to own. It's quite an interesting thing how they're doing it. I don't agree with everything on there because this is another video that I need to do, is on classic sneakers that just don't float my boat. And one of the kicks I believe they put on there was the Stan Smith. Don't hate me, but I think that kick is washed. Does nothing for me at all. I know it's a classic and it's a plain shoe, but nah. I'd rather much other plain shoes over that one. Sorry again, don't kill me. With sneakers, and what you do need is probably like a couple categories of stuff that you do need, like a pair of runners. So like Ultra Boost, Nike Flyknit trainer or racer, some Asics gel like 3s or 5s. They all fit in that category, but that's the thing. There's that category, and I just named like 4 or 5 sneakers, all dope. And if you want to get a runner, how are you going to choose? Why not get them all? And that's what I've done. Issues, issues, issues. If you want to get like a basketball sneaker, obviously got your Jordans. They're must have. They're not even basketball sneakers anymore. They're just fashion sneakers, which is crazy because to think that they were made originally for court and they go so good with gear, it's a madness. But as you can see from the Jordan brand, in my opinion, the higher the number went up, anything past 11, yes to me, anything past 11 don't work too well with fashion. I think it's 12s. I always get my numbers mixed up. I think it's the 12s. Yeah, it's the 12s. They're actually quite decent in a certain colorway. But other than that, I wouldn't rock them with gear. Me waffling on again. But yeah, how many sneakers does someone need? Back to that question. It varies between sneakerheads, what your life is like. Like if I worked in some sort of like marketing company where you can rock whatever you want, that would be a dream. I'd be coming in something different every day. It would probably be even worse. I'd probably have to cop some more stuff like to stunt in the office, especially if there was another sneakerhead in the office. Probably be trying to outdo each other. So it's probably a good thing that I work where I work and I have to wear my basic uniform and my basic black kicks every day. I'm not even really supposed to be wearing the Ultra Boost, but comfortable and it is what it is. But yeah, random ass topic. What I would like, if you can, in the comments, put down like 5 or 6 kicks, or 3 kicks, you ain't gonna do 5 or 6 kicks that you think is essential, that sort of every sneakerhead needs in their collection. For me, as I said, a runner, so I'd say an Ultra Boost, definitely a pair of Jordans, and a slip-on, or like a canvasy kind of shoe, like a Vans or Converse All-Star. Anywho, follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers, and follow me on Twitter as well, Perfection7. I'm out next week for another video, and I got some reviews to do as well. Look out for them. Letio.